In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore objects in Miro. We all know that Miro is a fantastic tool for brainstorming and collaboration, but sometimes things can go missing. Maybe a teammate accidentally deleted an important object, or you're just trying to recover something you removed earlier. No worries though, because today we'll walk through the process of getting those items back in no time. The first thing you need to do is head over to miro.com. Once there, on the home page, you'll notice a login option. Go ahead and click on log in. It's located at the top right corner of the page, making it easy to spot. Now, when you click the login button, you'll find yourself on the sign in page. Miro offers a couple of convenient sign in options. You can enter your email and password, or simply use your Google account if that's easier. In this example, let's choose continue with email to sign in with your email. Once you've successfully signed in, you'll land on your dashboard. Here, you'll see all the boards you've created or have access to. Locate the board where the object you want to restore was initially located and click on it. This will open up that particular board. Now that you're inside your board, direct your attention to the top of the page where you'll see your board's name. Next to the name, there are three vertical dots. This is your settings menu. Click on these three dots. A drop-down menu will appear. In this menu, you'll find the option labeled board. Click on it and then look for the history tab. Go ahead and click on that. Once you're in the history section, you'll see a timeline of actions that have occurred on your board. It's quite handy for tracking changes. Now scroll through this timeline to find the action where the object was deleted. It might take a minute if there have been a lot of changes, but take your time to find the exact action related to the deletion. When you spot the action where the item was deleted, you'll see a restore symbol next to it. It's usually iconified and quite easy to spot, resembling a circular arrow. Click on this restore symbol to bring back the object that was removed, and just like that, the item will reappear on your board ready to be used again. There you go, you've successfully restored an object in Miro. Remember, keeping a close eye on your board's history can save you a lot of stress in the future, knowing that you can always recover crucial elements. Thanks for watching and happy collaborating.